Hello friends, paint needs a leveled surface before painting. Even a plastered wall has hairline cracks, dents and some imperfections. To solve all these problems, putty is made. The most similar product to putty in the market is white cement. So let us understand how white cement is different from putty. White cement is mostly used to give a shiny lustrous matte finish to walls. It focuses on appearance, whereas putty is specially formulated for filling dents, hair cracks, leveling surface imperfections due to plaster, prevent dampness, efflorescence, etc. Some walls develop white powdery fungus-like material on them with time. It is nothing but salt. Cement and sand has salts which, after reacting with moisture in the wall or moisture in the air, solidify on the surface as salts. This is called as efflorescence. There are basically two types of putty available in the market, that is acrylic putty and cement based putty. Let us understand the difference between these two. Concept: cement putty is made up of white cement, polymers and minerals. On the other hand, acrylic putty is an ideal combination of white pigments, extenders, acrylic emulsion medium and additives. Form: cement putty comes in powder form. Water is added at the time of application to form a paste. The whiteness of this product makes it ideal for decorative purposes. Whereas acrylic putty comes in ready to use paste form and it has a butter-like consistency. You can directly apply it on the wall without adding or mixing any kind of materials. Application: cement putty can be applied on exterior or interior or ceiling or exposed surfaces, whereas acrylic wall putty can be applied on interior or ceiling or wooden surfaces, but it cannot be applied on external surfaces. Binding property: cement putty is cement based, hence it has a very high binding property, whereas binding property of acrylic putty is lower than cement based putty. Water resistance: cement putty has a high water resistance. Also, it can be easily applied to moist or damp surfaces, whereas acrylic putty has a no resistance to dampness, and that's why it cannot be used on exterior surfaces. Also, it cannot be applied to moist or damp surfaces. Strength: cement putty has a high strength due to cement. It has a good tensile adhesion strength, compression strength, and flexural strength that fairly increases the longevity of the product application. Whereas acrylic putty has a low strength as compared to cement based putty. Cost: please note, this video is not sponsored by any brand. Just for a comparison purpose, I have considered Asian Paints brand here. The price of Asian cement based putty is 700 rupees per 40 kg bag, whereas the price of Asian acrylic wall putty is 950 rupees per 20 kg bucket. So you can see the price of acrylic putty is more than 2 times that of cement based putty. So here the question is, if we can use both type of putty on internal walls, then which one is better? Basically, acrylic putty has a better fineness and elastomeric properties, so if you want a better finish for painting, then acrylic wall putty is better. Also for ceiling, you can replace gypsum plaster with cement based putty. But again, if you want to paint your ceiling, then you have to apply acrylic putty before painting. So if you are going to paint your internal walls or ceiling, then acrylic putty is must. So friends, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.